A bullet is fired at an angle to a falling target. Will the bullet hit the target? Want to answer and explain? You have a few seconds to stop the video before playing it. We'll play now the video. Hit. Unbelievable. Once again. Theoretical explanation. Bullet's motion equation. Target's motion equation. The difference of heights at any moment. The time up to the fall line. From the geometry. Placing into the equation of the difference of heights provides that y equals 0 at this moment. Theoretical hit. How beautiful the theory works. Thanks for watching. Loved? Don't forget to like,